All right, I'm traveling again. I'm super excited about getting on the road and especially talking about this work and what I do. So I will be at CuddleXpo next weekend. That's the last weekend in September, in case, I don't know, 2018, in case you're kind of confused on like what's happening in the calendar. So I will be there presenting on this work with a bunch of other practitioners and professionals, and also some clients I'm assuming are showing up. And so not only will I be there, but I'm also available to see you. Are you in Chicago? Are you close to Chicago? Would you like to come down and be amongst all these amazing people? Would you like to have a session in the hotel while I'm staying there? Whatever it is that you'd like to do in terms of meet me, meet others, experience what it's like to be cared for, nurtured. That's what we're here for. So, yes, would love to meet you. Contact me. Please look at my phone number or email or whatever it is. And also, if you're interested in attending CuddleXpo, maybe with me, wouldn't that be fun to like walk around with me and go to the sessions with me? Let me know, because I also have been given some cuddle bucks. Is that a thing? I just made it up. Cuddle bucks. I can get you a discount so that you can go and hang out with me and be a participant. So if that's something that you'd like to do, I'd love to have you, and we can walk around and I can, I don't know, have you be part of this whole thing. So let me know if you need support in getting there in terms of like being there at the event. And there's also a cuddle event, like a cuddle party. I'm not sure what they're calling it. That's also happening on one of the nights, so there's tickets for that. So go to the website, the link is there, and figure out if you'd like to join us or just come meet me one-on-one and have a session. Yay, Chicago! And actually, I'm from the Chicagoland area, so it's kind of like I'm going home, which is really nice too. All right, love y'all.